day, boy. I walk through the valleys, streams and mud, but the hunting goes on at the crack of dawn. Always moving forward towards more herds, my brethren. Never go hungry, never sleep on empty tummies. Beneath my feet, and dry leaves are crunching. To stay focused, I eat what's beneath my feet. Seeds, strawberries, collect herbs for teas. These all feed my family if they're hungry. Trust the land, cause it provides my lunches. But when there's live game, the tribe bunches and tight. Moves are such that movements cut back. Silence until the in the eye feels the vibe. As my tribe's moves our time sense. There's just one chance to commit this act of violence. We don't try and hide this. And the hide covering my backside is pure white. A clean attack. The precision of my bone blades exact. I can't trade that for nothing. No substance could ever touch this. Could ever touch this. Could ever touch this. Dark things I've seen don't mean a thing to me. I can't change the past to free my destiny. Until I reach a peak that's steeped in history. I foresee my dreams fading indefinitely. Dark things I've seen don't mean a thing to me. I can't change the past to free my destiny. Until I reach a peak that's steeped in history. I foresee my dreams fading indefinitely. I watch from behind the trees, in the shadows, white men, mountain bees with saddles. I saw the same vision in a dream, so shake the turtle shell rattles. In the dream, a battle ensues. Yet still let off a truce. Smoke fish and the fountain they use. They gave me metal tools, pots for boiling water, an axe to cut wood. Stop the old ways, don't bother. These new ways seem good. Trade grows and it balloons. Predicted war comes too soon. I'm consumed by doom and dread. For an ailment spread, medicines I carry fail. Disease infests. Most wish these people never sailed to the west. Our way of life derailed. We digress. Steadily the air we breathe becomes stale. Invest, ingest. Invest, ingest. Invest. Dark things I've seen don't mean a thing to me. I can't change the past to free my destiny. Until I reach a peak that's steeped in history. I foresee my dreams fading indefinitely. A second guess directs the bets. Culture clash, what's next? Each step moving towards regrets. War parties beset with plunders. Proud hunters, trappers and fishermen. Feathers under the influence. Past the rum, the spirit is about to become incoherent. Cause allies count down to grand finales. Wrote treaties, broke virgin ballet. Unbalanced the talent. Past enemies come to haunt. Flaunt weapons and lead assaults proudly. Atrocities sadly value over the vault. It's the result of hate. An inability to translate the stakes. And crime rates soar. Repression inflates the core. Move to conjugate in stores. No longer could intimidate in wars. Let's slash figure eights in the chords. No remorse in a corpse. No remorse, no remorse.